This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Richter. Location. Meticulously clean and well-kept 3-bedroom 2-bath home located in Lakewood Ranch Indigo, a master-planned and gated community. Maintenance-free, no CDD'S and low HOA fees. Wonderful sought-after upgrades including a recent addition of a huge extended screened lanai with a 6-person heated spa. Relax in your private soothing atmosphere after a nice day of Pickle Ball, the community favorite. Beautiful dark espresso wooden cabinetry in kitchen, granite counters, and recently upgraded high-end stainless steel appliances. Tray ceiling with crown molding, tile on diagonal in living area, wooden shelving in master and pantry closets, and ceramic wood plank in the spacious master bedroom. Tile roof, seamless gutters all around your home, garage with Husky Tool Cabinets, and Tropical and Irrigated Landscaping maintained by the HOA. The community center offers a resort-style experience with heated pool and spa, high-tech fitness center, and pickle and bocce ball courts. Many golf courses to choose from are very close by. World-class beaches including Siesta and Lido Key, downtown SRQ, a jewel of a city, and St Armands Circle are less than half-hour drive. UTC largest regional mall for shopping, multitude of restaurants, Lakewood Main St, museums among other cultural venues, community bike trails, countless hobby clubs etc. available. Welcome to Florida, a lifestyle second to none. For more information, review the details.